Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix not set bug in Battlefield 2042 menus. So first of all, you need to open up Options menu and then head over to Controller Schemes under Controller Settings. From here, make sure the button's options is set to Custom, and then go to Edit Controller Mappings. Now head over to On Foot Options and then manually remap your controls. For this instance, I'll go to Weapons and Equipments and then head over to Meal Takedown, which is set to R3, but I'll change it to Circle. Now I'll head over to Movement and then scroll all the way down to Crouched Prone, which is set to Circle, but I'll change it to R3. Once you're done editing the controller mappings, hopefully this will fix the issue. And if it did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.